Hi friends, this is Dr. Abderrahim Chumthanawala from Grace Healing Homeopathy. Today I will discuss a very interesting case where I learned a lot of things from this remedy. I had a case of vocal cord paralysis. It was off and on. The patient had the problem. Sometimes he used to have total loss of voice and sometimes the voice used to come but not properly. This case, I had prescribed calcarea floor solution, did not work. In case taking, the patient had few symptoms. The patient said that sir, whenever I am at leisure, जब भी मैं आराम से बैठा रहता हूँ, सब काम हो जाता है, ऐसा लगता है चलो अब लाइफ मेरी सुधर रही है. When I am at leisure, something happens. I feel somebody is telling me again start working. कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ लोग करते रहते हैं. And then I have to go for work. And then the life is again a struggle. And I become so irritable, I become so irritated because of this every time in life when I am, lying quiet, enjoying my life, something happens and then everything starts. I become very irritated. Like for instance, I was waiting in your clinic in the chamber and few of the VIPs came in your chamber. I became very restless. And I was shouting, why is this? And when it is happening, अरे जब ऐसा होता है ना, मुझे ऐसे बहुत इरिटेशन लगता है. ऐसा लगता है बस कहीं निकल जाओ, शांति से आराम से जाके पैदल चलो, walk, especially in the woods, and I feel very happy. And he had a problem of vocal cord paralysis. The case was not improving. Now let us interpret. हम interpret करके देखते क्या पेशेंट बोलना चाह रहा है. Whenever you are lying means what? At rest. when you are at rest, actually when you are at rest, you are in the bed resting आराम से, and something happens and there is a turmoil in life. If you interpret this symptom, it is delusion bed raised is. Whenever he is at leisure time, जब भी आराम करते रहता है, उसको कोई ना कोई ऐसे कुछ काम होता है कि उसको उठ के फिर से टेंशन लाइफ में शुरू हो जाता है. And because of this he becomes very irritable कि मेरे साथ में ऐसा क्यों होता है. There's a rubric called as irritability offenses from. And the patient said that some VIP is entering, I become very restless, I have to show you why this, why that. Restlessness ending in rage. See the beauty of interpretation of the symptoms of the patient into rubric form. And fourth symptom, whenever he is restless, whenever he is annoyed, whenever he feels that something is not happening according to him, he wants to go out. उसको बाहर जाना है, आराम से फॉरेस्ट में, वुड्स पे जाके आराम से बैठ के करना है. There is one more rubric for this, and that is called as dreams walking of woods in. These all symptoms come to us, and there is one remedy called as Cantharis. Yes my dear friends, Cantharis सबसे मेन एक रूब्रिक जो पेशेंट ने मुझे बताया सिम्टम अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस इज दैट डॉक्टर साहब, जब गुस्सा आता है, जब चिड़चिड़ापन लगता है, जब बहुत अंगार होती है, मेंटल हीट एंग्रीनेस आता है, ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे किसने ऐसी गले में चोकिंग लगता है और उसमें ठंडा ही समन लगता है. चोकिंग ये बड़ा उल्टा है, मुझे ठंडा ही समन लगता है. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू सी कैंथरिस डिल्यूजन चोक्ड, ही विल बी बाय आइसी कोल्ड हैंड्स. Now this is the beauty of interpreting a particular symptom into rubric form and the remedy. The remedy I gave is Cantharis 30 on the first day. After 15 days Cantharis 200, and on the second month Cantharis 1 ml, and the patient was totally better, treated with homeopathy medicines. This is the importance of interpretation, that is Cantharis. Delusion bed raised is, dreams walking in the woods, restlessness ending in rage, irritability from offenses, and the most important symptom, delusion choked, he will be by icy cold hands. There are many of symptoms of Cantharis in the burning, urination, XYZ, they are there, but this beauty of interpretation, and I treated this case of vocal cord paralysis by Cantharis. This was my first case when I used Cantharis for vocal cord paralysis, and the patient is treated and totally better with Cantharis. For such amazing videos, do follow me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube Live. Thank you.